of the art of serial killers. A new attorney joins our panel, defense attorney, criminal defense attorney, I might add, John Contini. John, welcome to the show.
Thank you.
You get very angry at Rick Rosenbaum and me because we collect this stuff and potentially could sell it and make money with it. What is the problem you have with it?
It's a righteous anger, particularly since I know Richard Rosenbaum and I know you and I'm friends with both of you. It bothers me that you would consider hanging paintings in your house painted with the hand or by the hand of a killer who has mutilated and maimed and tortured people, and you have children in your house. What message are you sending your kids? Well, hang paintings from killers.
I have told my children about Danny Rawling. I haven't done it in vivid detail because they're a little young, and they understand that he painted those paintings that hang in our living room. You think that they're going to get from that they should run out and start cutting people's heads off?
Well, first of all, I admire you for adopting 6 children, but then you put in their face paintings from torturers, people who have beheaded people, put their heads on mantles. Same hand that would cut off someone's head has put paint on this canvas for your kids to see.
What you are looking at when you look at that self-portrait, what you are looking at when you look at any one of these artworks is a piece of historical criminal memorabilia. Okay, it is a piece of history.
I disagree with you.
Well, let me ask you this.
It's evidence of sickness, Steve. It's no different than diarrhea. It is evidence of sickness. Do you put it out there for people to see and smell?
How do you feel?
Evidence of sickness. And you want to make a buck off it.
How do you feel about the fact that the gun that allegedly was used to assassinate President Kennedy is one of the most highly prized collectibles available today? What is the difference between that?
Are you analogizing the death and the assassination of a U.S. president to John Gacy or Danny Rawlings? Have you gone beyond the pale of reason, Steve?
I am saying...
You're losing it.
Well, what do you...
Why don't you champion the next serial killer? By you espousing what you're espousing, you're telling the next John Gacy, go out there, whack 33 kids, 32 kids, put them under your house, start painting. Guess what? You're going to make money.
John,
you guys like me and Rosenbaum, Cain and Rosenbaum are going to make money. That's what you're sending the message to not only your children.
We have a gentleman from the audience in our beef box, sir. Give your first name and address your remarks to whoever you want to talk to.
Hello, gentlemen. My name is Todd. I look at it more of a freedom situation. What type of legislation would you like to see to curtail this or outright ban it, actually?
It's a good question, John.
Good question, and let me respond. You have the freedom to paint. Danny Rawlings has the freedom to paint, so does Gacy. Where the law steps in is you're not allowed to make money off of it when there are victims who are entitled to restitution. Mr. Rosenbaum will tell you the appellate court just said there are families out there entitled to restitution. There's a lien on whatever you paint. You can paint. No one's stopping you from painting. In fact, you can buy paintbrushes and paint, and they can be shipped to death row, and you can paint for the rest of your natural life until they snuff the life out of you. And you want to make money off what he paints right before or after you fry him.
Well,
is that what you're saying?
There is no question that his artwork will be worth more after he is dead.
It's all about money.